Welcome back guys to my brand new tutorial. In today's video we're going to add a functionality to add comments to our blog posts in our blog application using Django and Python. Alright, so in the previous video you added this comment section right here and also this add comment button. But if you now click on it, it doesn't do anything, but we want to, when you click on it, to redirect the user to the other page that says something like add comment form, and we have the fields to specify the title and also the content of that comment you want to add, and then the users can add the comments to their blog posts. Alright, so to create that form functionality, we first of all need to create a new template like right here, and let's call it add_comments.html. Alright, so we have it right here, and now I'm going to copy this form from this right here, from this blog_create.html. So I'll just change a couple of things. So we don't need this drop down menu. This title we can have, and also we need another input with the type of text, and let's call it body right here. Alright, so now I'm going to explain what you did here. So right here we have this form with the method of post, which just sends the data to the server, which server then grabs and does something with it, and that something is just creating that comment and posting it to the blog post. And then we don't need this encryption type since this is only for the images and we don't use any of the images, so yeah, we don't need it. And yeah, we have this CSRF token which just prevent hackers from hacking our data, and right here we just have these two input tags with the type of text, which allows us to grab the title of the new comment and also the body that user wants to have on their comment. And then we are ending this form with the submit button right here that says add comment, which when users click they are submitting this form, and then we can grab that data and add comments to that blog posts. Alright, so let's save this file right now and we can close it for now and go to this views.py right here, and let's add at the bottom right here, let's add a new function. Let's call it add_comments, and we need always the requests, and also we need a PK right here since we want this comment to be specific to each blog post. For example, user wants to add a comment to the basketball post and another user wants to add the comment to the Django post. So yeah, we want to separate those comments with that primary key right here. Alright, so now to add functionality to add comments, we can scroll up right here and copy all of this code from blog_create. Now I know I'm copy and pasting, but this really is the same stuff. This is really just CRUD right here, so create, read, update and delete. But don't worry, I'm still going to explain every line so you can understand it better. That's what backs it up. Alright, so let's first delete a couple of stuff. So we don't need this category, this description, this blog image. We just need the title and also the body, since that is what we're getting from that form right here. So we can check again. So we only have two input tags right here, and that's what we're getting from that form. Alright, the next thing we need is to delete all of this stuff. We also don't need it. And also, we are not creating a new blog post, we're creating a new comment right here, and we need to import it first. So let's go right here and import it from our models. So comment right here from .models, and also let's change the name of this variable right here. So let's call it new comment, and also comment created right here. And now what we need to do is actually append every single field from our models.py. So if you remember, we have our comment database model right here inside of our models.py, and we want to populate every single field that is inside of this comments model right here. So we should add which blog post this comment is referenced to, which user commented, what is the title of that comment, what is the body, and when it was created. So right here, that's what we're going to do. So right here, let's just add the body first. So body is going to be equal to our body variable right here we just created. And now to add which blog post is this comment referenced to, we will use this primary key right here to select which ID of the blog post is this comment going to. So right here, let's just type, let's call this variable commented post right here, and it will just be blog post.objects.get and get the ID of that primary key that we are currently on. And just add right here that this blog post variable right here, or field right there, is going to be equal to our commented post actual variable. And that's it, we've done everything. We'll just move a couple of stuff, so we don't need that category stuff, we don't need this context also. And I'm just going to change this to be add comments.html template right there. And I think everything else is good, so we can actually make a new URL right here. So let's just copy the previous one, since yeah, I'm just going to change the name right here. So add comment. So add comment right here, and we also have this int of the primary key, which will automatically populate which blog post is going to be commented on. So yeah, we can save this right now, and let's go back to our blog post details right here and just add where our button is. So right here, our add comment button right here. Let's add a new href right here, and let's just type URL of our add comment right here, and just type blog underscore post dot pk right here. And I'm just going to copy the same stuff right here and paste it on this one. And yeah, I think we're good right now. So we can save this right now, and let's check it. So let's refresh this page, and if we click on this add comment right here, we should be redirected to the add comment form right there. And we are. So let's add a new title. Let's just type testing, and for the body, this is testing the form. And when we click add comment right here, it should add the comment to our database and also display it on that basketball blog post. Alright, and it does. Alright, and now I'm just going to add a quality of life improvement right here. So once we clicked the actual add comment button right there, it redirected us to the home page, but I want to redirect us to the actual blog post that was commented on. So let's add right here blog underscore post underscore details, and we also need to pass the primary key, which is just blog underscore post, or sorry, this commented post dot pk right here. And now let's add again another comment. Let's add on Django right here, and let's add comment. Django really is the best. And for the body, tralala. Alright, let's add comment, and we are redirected to the actual blog post. If you like this video, make sure to check out the pinned comment of this video. I made you a free PDF guide on how to help you pass the beginner stage and escape the tutorial hell. And also, I have got another great video right here on screen. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in that one.